Imagine waking up to find your city buried under a 50-inch blanket of snow. This was the reality for New Yorkers on March 12, 1888, as the Great Blizzard, one of the most devastating snowstorms in U.S. history, paralyzed the Northeast. Over 2 unforgettable days, the storm unleashed ferocious winds and heavy snow, halting trains, crushing telegraph lines, and trapping residents inside their homes. Cities like New York, which prided themselves on modern infrastructure, were brought to a standstill. Streets vanished under towering drifts. Transportation was crippled. But this chaos sparked a revolutionary transformation. Before the blizzard, most telegraph and power lines were strung above ground, vulnerable to harsh weather. The storm's destructive impact pushed urban planners to bury these lines underground, making cities more resilient to future weather events. Moreover, this led to the construction of the first underground subway lines, forever changing urban transit. The blizzard of 1888 became a catalyst for cities to rethink infrastructure and embrace innovation. So, next time you step onto a subway, remember the winds of change that began with this historic storm. Share this intriguing piece of history and follow us for more captivating tales.